Hi everyone, welcome to the Data Science lecture series. Before diving into the technical concepts, it is important to understand how this course is structured. In this video, I will walk you through three key areas: course guide, what this course covers and its objective; weekly lecture plan, how the topics are distributed over the semesters; assessment of CLOs, course learning outcomes, how your progress will be evaluated. By the end of this session, you will have a clear roadmap of what to expect and how to succeed in this course. So stay tuned and let's get started. Data science is about extracting knowledge from data into a generalizable way. It combines multiple disciplines: mathematics and statistics, machine learning, database and computer science, problem formulation and solution engineering. This course covers fundamental principles and tools of data science and hands-on experience with key concepts and methodologies. These key concepts will explore data collection and integration, exploratory data analysis, predictive and descriptive modeling, data product creations, evaluation, and communication techniques. This course aims to balance conceptual understanding with real-world application. Textbooks, three textbooks, but you may read more to understand to enhance your understanding with the data science and Python. Theory contents. Now we will discuss weekly wise program. Data science is widely used in various industries offering career like data science and analytics. It's also introduced big data, its specialized tool. Data in data science is used to answer key questions by identifying patterns and trends. It can be evaluated structures, unstructured, descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prospective. Data pre-processing using basic statistics, central tendency measures like mean, median, and mode. Proper pre-processing ensures clean, reliable data for accurate insights. Data dispersion measure how spread out values are using quarterlies, variance, and standard deviation with box plots helping visualize outliers. Data normalization, text normalization, standardized text format, proximity measures, assess similarity using methods like Jaccard coefficients for binary data. Data binding simplifies continuous data using mean or boundary binding for better analysis. Statistical interference uses probability to draw conclusion from data. Expected values are including mean, variance, and standard deviation. Topics for week 7 and 8. It's about binomial, which has mean and variance, and each distribution is a key to statistical analysis. Hypothesis involves setting all null hypotheses as an alternative hypothesis, and it also discusses T confidence intervals. Week 9 regression models, least square and linear regression minimize error to fit a best fit line for predicting outcomes. Multivariable regression extends this by using multiple independent variables. Machine learning is a short course complete from week 10, 11, 12, 13. In 4 weeks, we will study the machine learning details about uh, predictions, classification, naive bias, bagging, and clustering. And week 14 and 15, it's about future of data science and ethical issues. And then we have a next generation data scientists for the challenges and future research direction in data science. These are our CLOs, and we have describe, apply, and then comprehend and apply. So in the we have a four CLOs, all are based on cognitive domains, and their levels are 2, 3, and then 2, 3, and they have a graduate attributes 2 and 3, 3. These are grading and journal course policies. No quiz makeup assignments, no less. Late assignment will be accepted. F grade will be awarded if project assignments are found copied from internet or any other resources. We have the big thing which you need to understand. After midterm examination, student groups containing 3 students will be formed to bring 3 project ideas for the instructions shortlisting, and then we will instruct you how to modify it or how to enhance its understanding related to your subjects. And these are as usual quizzes 15%, assignments 15%, midterm 25%, final 45%, and total is 100%. So I hope this will help you to understand how the data science course will be discussed during the semester. Thank you.